Hello students, welcome to Sumaya English Primary School. Today's subject is maths, and today we will see the next chapter, that is chapter 6, and the name of the chapter is bar graph. Now we will see what is the bar graph. See the figure it is given, that is practice set 18. We will see. You can see down here this line which is drawn, that is x-axis, we have to note it down, and the line which is drawn this side, that means this is a y-axis, means a line perpendicular to the x-axis is drawn on the left side of the paper, that is the y-axis. That means this is the y-axis which we used to draw on the left side, and the x-axis which is drawn on the base. In this way you have to make the bar graph in every sums in this chapter, and this bar graph chapter you have to complete in your bar graph notebook. That means you have to make the new notebook of the bar graph. These things you should not write it down in the maths notebook. Now in the practice set 18 we will see here is also some examples, and some points is also given how you have to make the lines. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And see, this is also the example it is given. So now we will go through the sums. Always you have to write the scale. That means how much unit of distances we are keeping in this line. That unit you have to write it down here. That is, the scale is what? This is a y-axis. Always the y-axis is of the scale. Always you have to remember it down. The y-axis will be the scale. That means the y-axis is unit of 5 degree Celsius. You can see it on 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That means in this way it is the differences is of the 5. So now we will go through this problem set 18. It is written, this bar graph shows the maximum temperatures in degree Celsius in different cities on a certain day in February. In the month of the February only, we can see the different cities. What is the temperature in the different cities on the month of the February? Now we will see the graph and we have to give the answer. In this question we should not draw the graph. Just by seeing the graph we have to give the answer. First, always remember it down. First we have to make the two axes, that is x-axis and the y-axis. Here is the name of the cities it is given, see, and that is the temperature, and the graph is also made it here. Now first question we will see, what data is shown on the vertical and the horizontal lines? The temperature of the cities are shown on the vertical line. That means this is the vertical line and this is the horizontal lines. Always we have to see the vertical line is the y-axis and the horizontal line is the x-axis. That means the first question is asked, what is written, means what is shown on the vertical line. In the vertical line, what it is has been shown? The temperatures of the cities are shown on the vertical line. That means this one. That on the vertical line the temperatures is shown. And in the horizontal line what has been shown? The city's name. The name of the cities. That is, the name of the cities are shown on the horizontal lines. Clear? Now we will see the second question. Which city had the highest temperature? See here the temperature is given 5 degree, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30. From this all the cities, see which is one the bigger one. That means the Chandrapur city. That this is the highest maximum. How much it is? 35 degrees Celsius. That means what will be the second answer? Chandrapur. That means which city had the highest temperature? Chandrapur. Now next question is, which cities had equal maximum temperature? Maximum means we have seen the equal maximum. That means the highest. Maximum is the highest and the minimum is the lowest. Here we will see the maximum. The two temperature is the same temperature. Two cities have the same temperature. Which is the maximum? See here. Maximum is the 35. But here we are comparing the two cities have the same maximum. That is the 30 degree. Which cities? That is the Pune and the Nashik. And the one more degree is also the maximum. That is 25 and the 25. That is the Panchgani and the Matheran. That means the Panchgani and Matheran is the 25 degree Celsius, which have the equal maximum. And the Pune and the Nashik have the 30 degree Celsius. Now the next question is, which cities had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius? It is a very simple, this bar graph. 30 degrees Celsius. Just we can look it down here, which is the 30 degrees Celsius. Which cities had a maximum? Two cities I have told you. That is the Pune and the Nashik. So the answer will be the Pune and the Nashik, which has a maximum temperature on it, that is of 30 degree Celsius. Now the fifth question is, what is the difference between the maximum temperatures of Panchgani and Chandrapur? The Panchgani's temperature is how much? 25, and the Chandrapur temperature is 35. Now from this both the degrees and both the cities, how much two of the cities have the differences in the temperature? Now just look it on how we will write. First we will write maximum temperature of Panchgani, that is the 25 degrees Celsius, and the maximum temperature of Chandrapur, that is the 35 degrees Celsius. When we will minus both the degree, then only we will get the differences. That is, differences in the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius minus 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 10 degree Celsius. That means the differences between the Panchgani and the Chandrapur, how much differences is the temperature? That is 10 degree Celsius. Thank you.